How to add boomerang effect on CapCut video. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the CapCut application in your mobile device. Now to get started, we have to create a project. For that, tap on this button that says New Project. Now you have to choose a photo from your gallery so that you can create a boomerang effect on CapCut. For example, I have few pictures right here to edit. Then tap on Add. Once you have added that, first of all, you have to delete this ending part right here. Now once you delete that, now you have to edit the timing for each pictures to 0.5. Tap on the pictures and then reduce its timing to 0.5 second. Do the same with other remaining pictures as well. Now once you're done with that, all you have to do is export this video to your gallery by tapping on this export button from the top right corner. Once the video gets exported, now you have to get back to your editing page where you were editing before to keep on continue. Now once you're here, tap on this plus icon. Now all you have to do is import the same video that you have exported recently from CapCut. Go to your videos. Now select the same video that you have exported. I have this video right here and then tap on Add. Now you can add as many as video you want. Tap on plus icon and keep on adding the video. Once you're done adding your video, play the video from the very beginning. Then you will get that boomerang effect. Now once you're done, tap on export button and with that this video will be exported to your gallery. So that's how you can add boomerang effect on CapCut video, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.